In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add manual transactions to CoinLedger. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a trade, transfer, or income event so your portfolio and tax reports stay accurate. Start by opening CoinLedger and heading to your portfolio. From here, click Import to begin bringing in data. Choose Add Account to set up a source for these entries. In the account search, type Other so you can use the generic template, then select Other Account. On the next screen, you'll see two paths. Browse file if you have a CSV ready, or manual input if you're entering a single transaction or just a few. I'll continue with manual input so we can walk through each field. First, select the transaction type. Pick the option that best matches what happened, such as a buy, sell, trade, income, expense, or transfer. This choice tells CoinLedger how to treat the entry for gains and income calculations. In the transaction field, type the transaction details or a clear description so you can recognize it later. Next, set the position if you see that option in your form. This typically distinguishes whether assets are incoming or outgoing, or whether you're opening or closing a holding. Then open classification. Choose the most accurate label from the dropdown, such as staking rewards, mining, airdrop, gift, or another category that fits your situation. When that looks good, click Next. Now add fee details. Enter the fee amount and the asset it was paid in. Fees often affect cost basis and proceeds, so accuracy matters here. Set the timestamp by choosing the exact date and time the transaction occurred. If the time zone is shown, make sure it matches the source of the transaction data. Click Apply to confirm those settings. Ensure Manual is selected as your input method, then click Next to move to Asset Specifics. Select Asset to pick the coin or token involved. Use the search bar if needed and click the highlighted match to confirm your choice. Type in the amount you transacted. Be precise with decimals. Click Set Price to input the fair market value at the time of the transaction in your reporting currency. If CoinLedger autofills a rate, verify it against your source. If not, enter the correct value so your cost basis and proceeds are accurate. Finally, click Save. Your manual transaction is now recorded and will appear in your account's import history and portfolio. Review it once more to ensure the type, classification, fees, timestamp, asset, amount, and price all look correct. That's it. You've successfully added a manual transaction to CoinLedger.